What is going on, YouTube? Errol here from Aerodynamics Entertainment, and today you're writing the HRC on High Road Comics. And guess what? This one, I don't even know when I'm going to upload this. I think I'm going to upload it on Friday and postpone my Funko Friday and just do Fanboy Friday. No, Fantastic Friday. Yes, probably, because if you were in the Comic Corps auction on Saturday night, yep, I spent my entire Saturday night at the Comic Corps. I got this from Mr. Caleb Murphy. C. Murph, thank you so much. It got here quick. I didn't think it was going to be here until after the 4-day weekend. Thanks for getting this out so quick. Crazy man. And it's priority mail. Fantastic. Who ships priority mail? Caleb Murphy does. So I'm going to go ahead and hope that I don't cut any comics.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
Yup, I did not. Close. So let's go ahead and check out what I got. Oh, nice! Bag in a bag. This is how you do it. I'm gonna probably try to open this up nicely. Dogs, can you please stop? I'm gonna open this up nicely so I could reuse it. I'm cheap like that, and actually, it's good for the environment. Fantastic. Ooh, wait, there's more. This, folks, is how you wrap comics when you ship them. So hopefully, you know, when it's your turn, you pay it forward. And these are nice because you could get them for free at the USPS. And look, even better, more cardboard, which you could get for free from the USPS. Oh, and look, even more. This is what I'm talking about. High quality. If I could give you, if there was a feedback system for Comic Corps auctions, I would definitely give you 5 out of 5 stars. 5 out of 5 stars. Okay, so patience is the key. I am so happy that I got this. We were coming towards the end of the auction. I was like, damn, there are no comic books that I want, because right now I'm on the Adam Warlock kick. If you saw my video from Tuesday, I got this first appearance of him. Actually, it's the first appearance of the Cocoon 2-part origin story. Fantastic Four 66 and 67 are the first appearance of him. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, you know what? Let me go ahead and skip to that one since I already showed you that one. Oh, boy and a boy equals 2 boys. We got Fantastic Four, number 67, the first appearance of him, the power of him. I'm not even going to open it up. I did get a Mylar already. Damn, it's in my car and it's raining. It does have a 4th staple, which I'm okay with. I just wanted to have it. I'm not trying to get a 9.8 because that would definitely be unaffordable. Although I'm thinking about getting one of those J.C. Penney reprints of Fantastic Four number 67. Please let me know what you think about those J.C. Penney reprints in the comment section below. I think those are fantastic, and I'm actually thinking about getting a golden Records reprint. But yeah. Fantastic Four number 67. Thought I would never have it, but now I do. Alright, what else do I have? We got number 68. His mission, destroy the Fantastic Four. His. Like, who's him? Who's he? Who's they? This is a badass cover. I've always wanted it. I got Fantastic Four number 74. When Calls Galactus. One day I'll be able to get FF 48, 49, and 50. We got Fantastic Four number 93. We got Fantastic Four number 64, the Sentry Sinister, and this is fantastic. You weren't kidding that this is actually not bad. I would say this is better than a reader copy, in my opinion. Granite City, if I could have gotten you for $350, I would have lost my mind, because guess what? This is the first appearance of Ronan, the Accuser, Ronan. You may have remember him from such hit films such as Guardians of the Galaxy, and also, spoiler alert, Avengers. Oh, sorry, Captain Marvel. Yes, first appearance of Ronan. Oh, and the Kree, or the Kree Sentry. The Kree. Yes. What else do I have? I have Fantastic Four number 65. Oh! Huh. Should I just re-record? Probably not. I effed up. I know in the comment section below. This is not the first appearance of Ronan. It's just the Kree Sentry. The Kree? Number 65, Ronan the Accuser. I didn't think I was gonna get this. I was only on the hunt for Adam Warlock keys, and I got this. What? Freaking awesome! Freaking awesome! Ronan, thank you. And finally, we got celebrate with us the return of the first supervillain the Fantastic Four ever faced. See how the Mole Man is presented now. So, first, I think it's the first appearance. Nope, it's just a Mole Man key. Mole Man key, because obviously it says the return part. The Mole Man. But still. Boy to boy equals 2 boys, and now I got 7 new Silver Age Fantastic Four comics. My mission is to get more Silver Age books. Fantastic Four, Amazing Spider-Man. How cool would that be? So, I don't know if I'm definitely gonna post this on Instagram right now. I don't know if I'm gonna make this the Friday video, because I don't know if I have time to edit it right now. If not, it'll be out next week, and you're gonna be like, what the hell? You already posted this on Instagram. But you'd only know that if you're subscribed at High Road Comics on the IG. So yes, that's all I got. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next stop. And always remember, if you find yourself at the crossroads, take the high road.